In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 30 single crochets, finally end with 1 slip stitch. First, with 1 chain stitch, then work 30 single crochets. The first single crochet is done. Place a marker in the first stitch. Keep working the rest 29 single crochets, with 1 single crochet in each stitch. Please finish the rest single crochets by yourself. There will be a total of 30 single crochets. Single crochets are done. Remove the marker. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. 1 slip stitch is done. Round 6 is done. In round 7, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. First, work 1 chain stitch, then work 2 single crochets. The first single crochet is done. Mark the first stitch. Then work 1 more single crochets. The second single crochet is done. Next, work 1 increase. One increase is done. Then work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets are done. 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets are finished. One set is done. The second set. 2 single crochets first. Work 1 increase next. Then work another 2 single crochets. 2 single crochets are done. The second set is done. Please finish the rest 4 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. 6 sets are done. Remove the marker. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 7 is done. In round 8, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 36 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. First, work 1 chain stitch, then work 36 single crochets. The first single crochet is done. Always remember to mark the first stitch. Then keep working the rest 35 single crochets. Please finish the rest single crochets by yourself. We work 1 single crochet in each stitch. There will be a total of 36 single crochets. Single crochets are done. Remove the marker. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. 1 slip stitch is done. Round 8 is done. In round 9, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a set of 5 single crochets, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. First, work 1 chain stitch, then work 5 single crochets. The first single crochet is done. Place the marker. Keep working the rest 4 single crochets. Five single crochets are done. Next, 1 increase. One increase is done. 1 set is done. Then work 5 single crochets. Five single crochets are done. Work 1 increase next. One increase is done. The second set is done. Finish the rest 4 sets by yourself. Work 5 single crochets and 1 increase is 1 set. 6 sets are done. Remove the marker. We're gonna work 1 slip stitch. One slip stitch is done. Round 9 is done. The stitches for rounds 10 to 13 are the same, with 1 chain stitch, 42 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. First, work 1 chain stitch. Then work 42 single crochets. The first single crochet is done. Make sure to mark the first stitch. Then keep working the rest 41 single crochets. Put 1 single crochet in each stitch. Please finish the rest single crochets by yourself. There will be a total of 42 single crochets. Round 13 is done.